Hello, I'm Dean from Holwell Hyde Heritage. I'm reporting to you from the location of the dummy factory's actual World War II bunker. Just let me show you some bits. Down here, the road going across is Blackfan Road. Adjacent to that is Cold Green Lane. In World War II, I believe this was a railway track. A steam train came up here, down here, and just round this corner here, further down, Moneyhole Park was on the left then, and that's where the big decoy factory was, and on the other side of that would be Panshanger Aerodrome. So this is the place that fed supplies to the decoy factory. You may be asking why feed supplies to a decoy factory when it's a decoy. Because people had to man it for the switch operated systems and other bits and pieces. So that's the leading up to Panshanger Aerodrome, coming from Blackfan Road, and here is the bunker. So let me show you the bunker from over this direction. I've known about this bunker for a couple of years, but I didn't know what it was for, so just pan round. Here's the bunker. See through the trees, bunker starts here, there's a door in and a flat roof, but over this side you've got a drainage system. I knew there was something special about it, I just didn't know what, so let's go and have a look at this bunker. Off the railway line, don't get hit by a train. So this is like now a nature trail that leads down there. I've always known there's something odd about this place. I never really knew what it was. Got to be careful, a bit of metal, upturned boulders. Here we go. This is the way in. Has been blocked off. Concrete, nice bit of concrete. RF construction. Down the sides. Built up on the sides there, roof continues round. You can see the reinforced concrete there is coming away a bit. Whether that took a hit or deflection of some wartime damage, I don't know. And here we go, entrance. Let's go around the side. In fact, let's just go up here. Well, this is quite a large. I mean, if you take bunkers as they are, this is quite a large one. Now, this says to me this was for like people could just stay here during the bomb raid. They had somewhere to stay. Right, let's have a look up here. Right, there's the edge, leading edge. The land's built up, going down. That's quite a steep bank. There's more in there, I'm sure. I'm not going to go there, don't know what it is. This is raised up. Now, if you look here, it's concrete. By the looks of it, it's a date. 28/47 or 41 even. And this may have been added either during the war or after the war. That there might be an excess event that has since been taken away. Okay, so this is your official Decoy Factory World War II bunker. And we'll get slightly wet getting down. There's the entrance. This goes to the drainage. Some major pieces of concrete has been moved. So there's the coal green railway line that fed the decoy factory going that way, and then to the left, and the aerodrome's over that direction. This is the bunker that the local historian Michael and myself, we've both agreed that this is a bunker to supply the decoy factory. So from a decoy factory point of view, this is all that's left. Now, that's a concrete slab. Here we have a small river, could well have been sewage at one point maybe. And this is an interesting bit. You see here, this is drainage. Now this is for a bunker. There's the window, maybe a spotting window for the planes. But here we have it, an actual drainage system for this World War II bunker. That was a safety haven for the decoy factory. Now I have seen kids go into this place. I don't know how to get in, but they do get in. So decoy factory bunker for the RAF personnel. Let's just go around, see what else we can see. Now this film's quite a long film, so hopefully it will load onto the internet. Race around there. Something new, concrete slab, it's been moved. Oh, I see. Right, this is the way they've gone in. Now that is scary for an adult, not myself. That's the way in. Not something I'd do, but then again I'm not a commando. So that leads in. So you can see already this is an interesting bunker. Quite a tall one. There's a roof. And over here you've got the drainage. And then in that direction, decoy factory. So this is Steve McBride from Holwell Hyde Heritage saying to you, we've got some tangible evidence, living evidence of the decoy factory once existed in Panshanger. It is there, it was there in 1940s. This is the clear evidence of the bunker for the RAF personnel which protected those staff from bombs, and that it was in this location. So it's good to see tangible living proof of a decoy factory that was in existence in this area. Thank you. Let's just go back around. Or maybe up here, see what this goes. Okay, side of it. Decoy factories, World War II bunker. And drainage. Right, let's move this branch, see what else it can reveal. There we go. Drainage system. Okay, that slab's removed. I've already covered this. So there we have it. You've seen the photos on my website. Now you see it actually in real time. Decoy factory, World War II bunker. Thank you. It's the sort of thing you see in the movies, really, isn't it? And another overview. So here we go, this is the coal green railway line that fed the decoy factory. There is another coal green I believe, but this is the specifically for the World War II decoy factory. Went up there, and here's the overview. Quite awesome looking really, if you don't disagree with me. So here we go, corner to corner, up, the door's here, drainage is here, and away around the back. Okay, that's Steam McBride, Holwell Hyde Heritage. I'll say that again, Steam McBride, Holwell Hyde Heritage, signing off, thank you.